Hey guys, what's going on? It's your girl Simply Saint. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, hey, if you would like to see how I got this wash and go on my type 4 natural hair, then keep watching. Hey guys, what's going on? It's your girl Simply Saint. Welcome back to my channel. I'm about to go wash my hair, but I just wanted to check in with you guys, see how you guys are doing. I'm on a roll with my weekly washes. I think it's been more than a month that I'm consistent, and I thought I'll show you guys basically a wash with me. I'm thinking to do a low ponytail or a wash and go. I haven't done a wash and go in a while, so I'm more leaning towards a wash and go, but we'll see. So basically this style I've been rocking for the past week. Just a flat twist and 2-con roll. And I like this style. It's super easy to do, easy to maintain. All I do is redo the bun, or however I decide to wear it. I usually wear it in a bun. I think I'm due for a trim. What do you guys think? Yeah, long overdue for a trim. It probably just might be a cut, but I love this hairstyle. I'll insert some pictures if I haven't done before, and you guys are more than welcome to check out the gram. Haven't combed through my hair in a week since I washed it. Let's see how much shedding I got. All right, that's enough combing through. I'm just pulling on my ends just to get most of the shed hair out. And this is what I got. Not too bad, not too bad. But my hair is flourishing. I wish I can get a little bit more thickness, but it's okay. So I'll be using, let me show you guys what I'll be using. If you don't know, you already know, now you know. So shampoo. I'm gonna actually condition with Tresemme. So I'm gonna shampoo with this, condition with this, apply my leave-in, my oil, and then the Twist Elongating Style Cream. Come back, I'm gonna go shampoo my hair, check the playlist for my wash day routine. Hey guys, so I'm back, just finished wash my hair. Like I mentioned before, so first I shampooed with this, clarified, and then I did a moisturizing shampoo. I forgot to show this earlier. And then I conditioned, detangle with the Tresemme. And then I applied the leave-in conditioner from Melanin Haircare Multi-Use Softening Leave Conditioner. That's why I have my hair. And I just put my hair up in this ponytail. So I'm going to be doing a wash and go. So then I'm going to apply the oil, a little bit of the Twist Elongating Style Cream, and then I'm going to apply a little bit of Eco Styler. So I'm going to be doing a wash and go. Let's open this bad boy. This will actually be another protective, wash day protective style that you can do. And what I usually do, I just twist up the ends, fold my ends under, and then as the days go by, I undo the twist, then I transition it into a bun. So that's another wash day style you can do. So I detangled my hair already. I'm not gonna detangle again with a white tooth comb. I'm just gonna finger detangle. So then I'm gonna apply a little bit of the Twist Elongating Style Cream. That much. Focusing on the ends. and then some Eco Styler. Probably gonna go with more than that, but let's see to start. And that's the first section. So I'm gonna try to move quickly so my hair doesn't get dry. And all the shed hair that I'm getting, I'm putting it in this comb. So you guys can see at the end. Dry. Let me fix my edges using a little bit of the N&N Beauty, and then I'm going to tie it down with a scarf. And then I'm going to air dry. All right. And I'll be back when it's dried. I haven't worn a wash and go in so long, and I miss my coils. Okay. I'm gonna try to keep my hands on my hair so it can dry. Oh, I forgot to show you guys the amount of shedding I got from the wash and go. This is it. I can't show my face because I look a hot mess. I have an eczema on my face. But anywho, this is the shut-in I got.